Hi there, my name is Samantha Williams, and this year I fully restored a 1948 Ford 8N tractor.
Well, I stagger and I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days. Well, I stagger and I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days. And the reason I'm drinking, my woman got some low down ways. Don't want me, baby, you ought to tell me so. If you don't want me, baby, you ought to tell me so. I'll get my trunk and my clothes, and out your door I'll go. Of me. Well, now tell me, baby.
This is my dad locking my left and right brake. I had a hip surgery recently, so my muscles haven't grown back and I can't really lock it myself. So here's my dad doing that for me.
What you think of me? You ain't been giving me no rest since I've been in.
This is my tractor in first gear. This is my tractor in second gear. My tractor in third gear.
I'm gonna sing one more verse and I ain't gonna sing no more. I'm gonna sing one more verse and
This is my tractor in fourth gear.
Cause my train is here and you know I gotta go.
This is my tractor in reverse.